The way you present your food and drinks is just as important how it tastes. The arrangement and presentation of your dessert can make a huge difference in how they are perceived by your guests. Antique serveware have an interesting story to tell by bringing a sense of nostalgia to your dining experience. It's also a great conversation starter and can help create a memorable experience for you and your guests. I'm Chef Yara. Today, I'm excited to show you how to beautifully serve desserts and drinks using antique and vintage serveware. The first dessert we're featuring today is just as impressive as this set of antique dessert bowls. I created layers of ginger biscuit, gooseberries, and cream mixture that will be beautifully revealed in these glass bowls. Arrange a few larger pieces of broken ginger biscuits on top, decorate with gooseberries, chill, et voila! As a final touch, I'm adding that vibrant edible flowers. An easy and delightful dessert is ready to be served for your guests. These plates are so stunning, and they are the perfect choice for serving any type of dessert. We will be serving today delicious carrot cake bliss balls. They are so easy to make. For these healthy snacks, we need carrots, pecans, walnuts, and dates. Just mix the ingredients from the balls, chill them, and roll in coconut flakes. This dessert is full of flavor, and it pairs perfectly with the luxurious look of the plates. I love how teal trims are framing our dessert, and the rich red color just speaks celebration. Let's take a break from sweet dessert and have some refreshing lemonade. This cut crystal drinkware is just so beautiful, and it's perfect choice for any special occasion, whether you're hosting a fancy dinner party or enjoying a casual afternoon with friends. Let me share some tips with you. It's best to serve lemonade immediately after you mix the ingredients and adjust desired taste before serving. Choose smaller lemons with a smooth, shiny skin, as these are juicier. For decoration, use mint leaves and twist of lemon zest. So let's pour ourselves a glass of lemonade and enjoy the moment. This beautiful set of plates with intaglio decoration inspired me to create a simple yet delicious dessert made of pears. Seasonal fruits are fresher and more flavorful, and they are harvested at their peak of ripeness. I sauteed these fried pears and added a buttery sauce flavored with natural vanilla. Also use fruit juices or syrup to enhance the taste, and also try to experiment with aromatic spices. Pears are perfectly combining with cinnamon, ginger, citrus zest, and even black pepper or chili. You will be surprised with the result, believe me. These antique crystal dessert plates are not only a great investment for collectors, but also a perfect choice for those who want to elevate their dessert presentation and impress their guests with a touch of vintage charm. I hope you enjoyed our video today. It was my absolute pleasure to share my passion for food and exquisite antique pieces with you. And I hope you were able to pick up some useful tips to use at your leisure in your kitchen. You can find all the recipes in our blog, and I hope you will enjoy experimenting. And remember, your table setting is just as important as the food itself. Find your favorite antiques at Cabinet of Curiosity.